Hi guys, it's me, Little World. It's rainy day because I cannot go outside. If we take a plushie, then that's rainy day. I hate rainy day. I wish he's gone because I want sunny day. Make me feel better, and I hate rainy day. Cause my sister over there named Chia, she is my favorite because my plushie is over there, and this is my dad. He's not driving, and my mom sit over there, and my grandma sit over there, and that's it. Bye bye guys, enjoy the video, okay? If I see you in a part 2, then it's ready. Okay, bye bye guys.